Hello, my name is Gary Brutland. I'm at the halfway point of the Leeds and Liverpool Canal. This is approximately 64 miles and this is Church in Lancashire. This area is surrounded with other towns. Accrington's about a mile that way, Rishton's about a mile that way, Clayton's about a mile that way, and Oswald's about a mile that way. So we're right in the middle of the industry because the canal snakes right round and goes right all through all these towns around here. And all along this canal we're just miles and miles of mills, ranging from printing and dyeing, chemical works, soap works, explosive works, which I'm going to go on to in a minute. But they moved all the produce along this canal, used it as transport, and this canal was finished in about 1810, 1816 roughly. But just behind me where these houses are, this brand new estate, it's just been built, this estate, and it was completed about 6 months ago. There's still one or two houses ready to do, but there's about 40-50 houses. And on this site before was Duckworth Mill. It was built in 1881 by William Duckworth, who is buried in Church Kirk graveyard. And just to the side is Church Kirk. I don't think you can just see it, but there was the mill did a lot of cotton and cloth printing. And then just into the field of the canal was where there was sewerage pits, because they used the sewerage in the dyeing process. And as children we used to dare each other to walk across the walls, which was quite dangerous, and especially if we fell in. Yeah, behind me to this side was Duckworth Mill, Church Bank Mill, and it had a massive boiler. It had something like 1,000 looms in the factory. It was driven by a 350 horsepower engine, a massive engine, and people were working away. My nan and grand had actually met in this mill and courted from them, so there wouldn't have been any of me if it wasn't for this mill. But it was a hive of industry all along this canal, and it must have been thick as smog and smoke and banging machines, pumping out cloth and wool and cotton and industry, and also lots of other chemicals, because there were quite a few pits along this way, and collieries and tar distilleries. The railway just cuts through this area, which we're going to move on to next. I'm going to show you next. But that's the halfway point, which is at Church Kirk. Thank you.